Hey guys, the latest real estate market numbers are out, and here is what you need to know about what's happening in the Boise and surrounding Treasure Valley's local market. But first, before I dig in, if this is your first time visiting our channel and you want to know everything, the good, the bad, everything there is to know about what it's like living and working and playing in the Boise area, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay, so let's break down what's happening in our market. Across Ada County, the median sales price has continued to decline. This is actually the 7th consecutive month on a year-over-year basis that we've seen home prices decrease. As you can see in these two graphics, the median sales price for existing resale homes dropped over 13%, and then by just over 5% for newly constructed homes. One big thing I want to point out is that fewer homes are selling. As you can see, overall sales are down 21.7% for resale homes, and then by 22.2% for newly constructed homes. So why is this significant? And why am I calling it out? Because it's the complete opposite of what one would typically expect to see in a market where both home prices and inventory have dropped. Typically in this scenario, one would expect to see more homes sell and to see them sell quicker. But this isn't what we are seeing in our current market. So why is that? Two big reasons, or rather factors. Interest rates, which are impacting both potential home buyers and sellers, and a widespread change in moving patterns. So what do I mean by that? Basically, we are no longer seeing the huge surge of remote workers. Often the remote workers were tech industry workers moving here from other states. Don't get me wrong, people are still choosing to make Idaho their home and moving here, but it's nothing like what we saw during the pandemic. That population surge and the price points that many newcomers were buying at skyrocketed the home prices, so now we are seeing the market ebb toward a correction. Let's go back to interest rates. You might be wondering why or how interest rates could be impacting a home seller, because after all, if they're selling, then interest rates shouldn't impact them, right? But if you take a step back, it makes sense because, well, you probably guessed it. If they sold their primary home and then went to buy, they'd likely be swapping their 2% interest rate for a 7% interest rate. And who really wants to do that? So we're seeing many would-be sellers waiting to sell their primary homes. So fewer homes are hitting the market, meaning inventory is down. At the same time, even though we've seen home prices come down for hopeful buyers, the increased interest rates means they have decreased buying power, which is a hard pill to swallow for many. So where is the sweet spot for Ada County? Homes that are priced correctly and well, that land in that $250,000 to $500,000 range, at this price point, the market remains highly competitive. And of course, homes above that price point are certainly still selling. The biggest factor is, of course, as always, the price. Priced correctly for its location and condition, a home will sell. Overpriced and it will sit. So what's coming? Where's the market headed? What we wouldn't give for a crystal ball right now, right? In general, we're expecting demand to remain below average, due largely to rates and economic uncertainty, and at the same time, inventory, so the supply of homes available on the market, will also remain low. So there will be fewer listings until more existing homeowners return to the market. Boise and the surrounding Treasure Valley's real estate market offers unique opportunities and challenges for both buyers and sellers. Whether you are a buyer looking for a hidden gem or an investor looking for a flip or a seller aiming to maximize their return, we are here to help. Call us, text us, 208-598-3040, and as always, please be sure to like and subscribe so we can stay in touch. Have a great day.